folks, I've got number 853 here. This is a tenor scale banjo uke, so 17-inch scale length. But what makes it a little bit different is that it's got a 10-inch rim instead of an 8-inch rim. This goes back to an instrument that I was playing last year that was a vintage 10-inch rim that I put a banjo uke neck on. And then other folks started to ask for them. And playing this one again reminds me of why I kind of liked it. You know, first of all, I think that for the 17-inch scale, it's a nice kind of symmetrical vibe. It looks and feels appropriate. And I think with the larger head, it's not necessarily louder, but it's got more air behind all the notes, more depth to the notes, maybe a little more sweetness and a little more resonance, and I kind of like it. And that one I made for myself really was a nice one. So anyway, I think this is the fourth one we've done now with a 10-inch rim. It's all walnut, most of it curly walnut from here in the Hood River Valley. Really like the neck. And I chose some sapwood for the head plate and everything, and the cap right here. I think it looks really cool. Goatskin head, no tone ring, little walnut bridge, GCEA high G. And this customer likes a little thinner neck, big white fret markers, and a flat fretboard, which is fine by me. Yeah, just feels nice. So I don't technically have the 10-inch rim listed on the website, but maybe we oughta, because I think it's cool. It's just a nice vibe. So that's number 853, ready to go. Cheers.